Puff is a Nigerian snack, popularly present on most Nigerian tables and of course in most African homes. And it's Christmas time, a time to show love, a time of gift giving, and this will be a perfect snack to share amongst your colleagues, to share at home, and to share to everyone you care about. Hi guys, this is Stalva EJ, and today I will be trying out the Sisi Yemmie recipe of making the puff puff. But come to think of it, what's really different about the way she makes hers and the way I normally make mine? I guess we all have to sit and watch and enjoy the recipe together. So let's meet the ingredients. We have flour, yeast, sugar, vegetable oil, nutmeg, vanilla extract, and of course we have some salt. Alright guys, stay tuned and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you try it out, don't forget to tag me on your post. First we add the all-purpose flour, and then we add the salt to taste. Also we add the granulated sugar, which can be gotten from any store, and we move ahead with the nutmeg. And of course we have the rapid instant yeast. I added 2 packs to this one, and then just go ahead and gently stir it up until the mixture is together. And now we add the warm water. Remember, it has to be warm. Yeast is a living thing. If it gets too hot, it can kill the yeast and you will not have it rise the way you would like it to rise. And another thing you need to know is that you have to add the water bit by bit till you achieve the consistency that you so desire. Please remember, do not pour the water one time, if not you will mess up your mixture. Just look how I'm doing it and add the water little by little. You can keep stirring it as much as you want. Remember, you can use a spatula, you can use your hands. However you want to do it, it all depends on you. For this particular recipe, I was making it out for someone, so I'm selling it out. So I needed to have less contact with my hands and the mixture as much as possible. And the magic ingredient is the vanilla extract. That's what Sisi Yemmie puts in her own puff puff that just changes the game for the puff puff. So I tried it out and I'm not going back ever again. Like, I would always use the vanilla extract in all my puff puff. Thank you, Sisi Yemmie, for this trick. I really do appreciate it. This gives that taste that I always taste in a party puff puff. So I went ahead and kept on stirring and stirring and stirring. So you can make the dough a little bit thicker if you wanted, or you can make it light. Remember, the yeast is going to get activated and then it will incorporate some air where carbon dioxide is released. And like you can see, when it feels a little bit slimy or stretchy, that's when you know you have the perfect one. And then you put it in an airtight container and put it in a warm environment for about 45 minutes. Voila! This is what you should get afterwards. The longer you leave it, the better it's going to rise. So it all depends on you. Now add a very generous amount of your vegetable oil. Don't be scared. The more the oil, the better for you. So when you put your mixture, it will settle on top, like it's going to float on top. If your mixture goes in and gets inside the oil, it means that it's going to soak oil. Pay very close attention to the way I'm actually wrapping, getting that round ball that you see. Now scoop it with your hand, okay? Take your thumb and scoop it inside and then press it between your thumb and your index finger. Watch again. Take it together and scoop it out through your thumb and your index finger. You're going to get that perfect round shape that you see on every table, every puff puff that you see, okay? So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm showing you very closely so you don't say you did not see how it's done, okay? Now this is what you should see after you have it inside the pot of oil, okay? And remember this, it's really interesting and easy. And after the whole process, this is what I got. So tell me guys, and voila, I enjoyed it with some fresh peppered snail. You can also enjoy it as a meal. You can have some chilled drink or however you want it. And of course, I remember I told you I was selling this, so each Tuku box is going for $7. Okay, so yeah, I made 4 of it, and I had some for my breakfast with the snail as well. So do whatever pleases you, but this is a very interesting snack that everybody will like. The kids, mother, father, friends, colleagues, and everyone around you. And you can also pack it nicely like this and also give it as a gift to anyone. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this recipe. Remember, if you tried it, do not forget to leave me a comment or tag me on your post. Alright, till my next video, remember to make it a great week. Bye guys.